Howdy, howdy, everybody. Good morning. How are y'all? We over here. We just got over here at the building. We're fixing to get in here and do some work. We got some orders to go out, and we gonna hit it hard today, buddy. We gonna work today. So y'all come with me. Let's get the day going. What do y'all say? All right. So shipping's done, as y'all can see there. Now we're fixing to get started working the rest of the day. Gonna be hard at it. We're gonna pull stuff out of our death pile and get stuff tested and listed and get after it. So yeah. All right, so we got this. It's a Panasonic DMR ES35V hooked up at the recorder. Gonna test it out. Got their TV hooked up there, so let me set y'all up and we're gonna go to testing. Alrighty, we getting ready to test this. We're gonna use this Monster Bucks 10th Anniversary Edition VHS to test this thing here. So put this thing in. I gotta get me some longer cables, you know. Right now I just got it propped up, so let's stop it. Rewind it. That's a good sign. Come on. Yeah, we're gonna get a lot of work done today. We're gonna get this thing cleaned and tested and start getting in this death pile over here and get all this stuff cleaned up, tested and listed. We motivated today to get this stuff done. That's good right there. Let's see if it plays. Man, that's pretty.
This is the third day of the hunt. Prior to this day of hunting, the weather had been really warm.
It looks cold.
But on this morning, the temperature dropped well below zero, and the deer are really up and moving.
It plays good, though. Look at that deer. That's a big one. Get on him. Them darn trees. He's out. There he is. Right there. Buddy, he got him. DRT, buddy. You better get reloaded, buddy. He gonna get away. You done shot at him twice.
Sometimes you have good luck. Sometimes you have bad luck.
Oh, you couldn't
The
hit the right
coyotes start
side of the
howling when
barn.
I was off about 20 yards.
You better get him this time. You done missed him twice. Look, you missed him again.
And again, Jeff misses.
Man, you couldn't hit
He
water if
reloads
you
for
fell out of a
third
boat.
shot.
Are you on him? Are you on
Are
him?
you on him's a question.
Are you on him?
Yeah, you got him that time. That's lucky.
As he
So
went
yeah,
through the
that
ditch,
works good right
it's
there.
within 40 yards of
So
me.
y'all see it playing. So we're gonna stop at. Eject. So that plays good. Now let me get a DVD.
Got all four of them.
Man, he got that leg locked down.
Who can't move on this one.
I need to get the grip with
Predicament
them
that
out.
he's in. Well, Rick Flair, sole survivor. Uh-oh, Kenny on top. Kenny brought the leg right across Flair's neck. Off the top rope.
Man, all six of you feel big and mad beating
Ric
up
Flair
on
wins it
person.
for his team.
So that DVD player works. So now we gotta see if it records, but I'll do that in a little bit. We got that much tested. That's good. So I guess let's start getting some more stuff done. Yeah, it works good. We'll test that here shortly and get it cleaned up. So let's pull some stuff out this death pile and get working on it. And I guess I'll start on these right here. These are new old stock bobby pins. And had these for a while, just ain't had much of them listed. We're gonna work on that here shortly. We gotta test the recording function on it. We'll do that in a minute. We're gonna do this now though, get some pictures made. So, but before we do this, I need a cup of coffee. Let me go get me a cup of coffee. All right, got my coffee. Now we can work. We're gonna get after it now. Set my coffee over here. Now let's start photoing here. I like to batch list, so I'm gonna take a bunch of photos and then I'll list them later. All right, so I was getting these listed and I noticed I got them photoed I noticed the part-time pickers Matt posted a new video, so I'm gonna take a break from listing and just watch it real quick sitting here. Kind of see what he's got going on. Man, he had a good weekend. I don't know. He must be listening. He finds all kind of good stuff.
Doritos chip clips sold for $19.99 free shipping. All right, so that's everything going on today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it.
You're welcome, Matt.
And yeah, we'll catch up.
I started this one just a little bit ago. Let's finish it up.
So after the intro, I'll come back with you and share with you the items in which I've sold. I wonder if the adventure of a full-time
Man, myth, legend.
reseller would be interesting. And I have done one live whenever we did our 500 subscriber giveaway.
And I enjoyed it.
It seemed like a lot of people enjoyed that.
Let me give Rev some love there.
We have been stuck in the same house together for over a week now. We love one another.
All right, I gotta get to work now. We gotta get after it now. Let's put on some tunes here. Now we gotta get to work. We gotta work now. Now we gotta get back to it. Well, let's see what we're gonna work on now. We got them photoed. We'll do that later. I mean, clean that. That ain't no big deal. Let's see. We can take some pictures of. Let's just find something. Let's see something. I'm looking for something easy since I've already did the big, heavy, major stuff here. I'm just looking for some easy listers. But if you like me, your death pile ain't got no easy listers in it. That's the reason it's a death pile. Let's see. What do we want to list? I guess I can do this right here. Let's photo this. But actually, before we do this, it's getting to be lunchtime. So we're going to go grab us a bite to eat. We got to drop off our packages. And that's priority right now, packages. So we're going to go eat. Alright, so while I was out, I remembered I need to pick up some stuff from the store. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. See what I can get. I need some bananas and stuff. So. Alright, well, we had to bring that cold stuff back to the house. Put it in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to stay here for a little bit and list what pictures I took this morning. For the rest of the day, since we had to come here anyway and drop stuff off, and might as well. Alright, so now I'm gonna list the pictures I took earlier while I watched Lost. So we're gonna get that done.
Will you read to me? In a minute, sweetheart. We have company right now.
Deal's off.
Well, I'm sitting here just listening.
What are you doing? Hold on, what is this, a joke?
Calling it off, walking away.
You're not walking out of here. You know what I...
How are y'all today? Alright, it's been a long, hard day, but it's getting to be supper time now, so we're gonna run down here and KFC and get us a bucket of chicken, I reckon. We've been working at it all day, and man, my sales are just slow. Are y'all sales slow? I don't know why. It's like I work all day, every day, and my sales are just lacking. If y'all are having slow sales, let me know. I mean, I can't figure it out. What am I doing wrong? I don't know. Alrighty, guys and gals, so we're back over here. Actually, it's only 10 a.m. right now. I wanted to make this video and have it kind of be a little bit entertaining and show you the actual struggles you go through. And everybody's stuck at home now. Maybe you're trying to resell. But it's hard to stay on track and get what you need to get done throughout the day when you work for yourself and you got all this downtime. You can get distracted maybe by something as simple as watching a movie or YouTube or Facebook, Instagram. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff to distract you. But I mean, you just got to buckle down. If you're having slow days, which is expected now, the best thing to do is list. I mean, buckle down and actually get the work done. So we're over here now. We're actually going to clean that up now and actually going to do some listing. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that thumbs up button for me, and we're going to see you guys and gals tomorrow.